They're kittens, and we'll be down here in this little cage in my bedroom, right next to my bed there. A little towel up there that we're going to put over the cage at night. And the other cats are just fascinated. I'm not real worried about the other cats getting sick, since they're in good shape and are all vaccinated and all that. You can see they're both there in the little bed, and they've got their little food and water, and little litter box back there. And then I made them a little cave out of a box, which has a towel in it, that they can play in. And I'm thinking of making a little shelf that would sort of rest on their little cave and go over their litter box and give them some more space. Similar to what I did when I was housing the 2 torties that were flood rescues. The poor little Two-Toes is just all wiped out. But Norman's doing pretty good and has been munching on some food, and I'm probably going to give him some Esbalac in a little bowl to lap at. And hopefully, they won't have to be here more than a week, but we'll see. Brought Thumbs in to meet her sister here and see maybe if another kitten can teach Six Toes about the joys of solid food and drinking water and things like that. Inga is peering on, still sulking over having been force-fed her pill. And here we have Bendy and Six Toes. And here we have the other kitten. He does not seem to be terribly interested in these kittens. Guess this room just has too much going on in it. Inga, however, is concerned about the squeaking Bendy. Come on, Thumbs. Come say hi to your sister. Accelerate the process by putting Six Toes over there. Apparently not. Well, we sort of have everybody together. Bendy wants to see who this new person is. Yes, somebody else to try to suck on. Bendy sucks on everything. That must be a fascinating towel. Now, I thought that Six Toes would be quite happy for another kitten to play with, but perhaps not. Whoops! Here's Bendy again. Sorry, little one. Didn't mean for you to fall on your head. You want to say hi to the camera? Hi. Hi, I'm an unhappy kitten. Kitten interaction. Look at that. Sort of. Alright. Yay. It's alright, Bendy. It's alright. Here, have a finger. Six Toes has discovered it is another kitten indeed. Here's Bendy holding my finger hostage. She will not let go to save her life. Whoops, where'd they go? What you doing over here, Six Toes? What you doing over here? Go play with your friend. Fred knows what that's for. Well, I guess the initial introduction just isn't going the way I thought. And maybe after Thumbs gets done exploring, in a couple hours or so, we'll have some better interaction. Hey, little bug kitten. Hey, little bug. It's my cute little bug. Oh boy, here we come. Here he comes. Oh, Ninga, look, you have another kitten. What do you think? You don't seem to think much, do you? That is just so cute. Where is Six Toes? Ah, she's behind me, sniffing my toes. Hello, hello, hello. The kittens gonna say hi to each other? Come on, kittens. Hi, Bendy. Oh, that's blurry. Uh-huh. Thumbs discovers the litter box. Aha! Six Toes thinks about playing. Good. Thumbs has very nice little spots. And they go their separate ways. Investigating the new food bowl. It's food, Six Toes, eat it. Oh, somebody's climbing on me. Hello, Thumbs. Want to say hi to the camera? Say, hi, I'm Thumbs. See my little thumbs? See my cute little thumbs? Look, I go limp when held. Oh, what's that? Ninga wants to see the kitten? See the kitten? Okay, we put you down. I think Ninga just figured out that she has a third kitten now. What you doing there? Climbing on me like everybody else. There's a little Six Toes. Come on, Six Toes. Play with your little friend. Look at you, puffing yourself up at her. You silly thing. Ah. Don't walk too well on the wood, do you? All right, well, we'll try this again later, I suppose. Poor little Thumbs was off by himself, so I stuffed him in the crate with Ninga, and you can see that she is quite happy with her kitten. Thumb seems pretty happy with her, too. Good little Bendy. Hey, Six Toes. Six Toes is just being confused. There you go. A little family. Aren't they cute? Ah, Bendy is heading this way in hopes of food. Or a finger to suck on. Good Bendy. Look at that, they're supposed to play with each other. Yes, my hand here is being attacked. My little snuggly Bendy with very sharp teeth. Bendy. Hey, whoops, there goes thumbs. Ow. She has a finger. Whoops, she lost it. Hey, thumbs. Play with your friend. And here you go. No, Bendy would rather come back over here with me. Don't do that, you're not supposed to have fleas anymore. Okay, guys. Here is Two Toes and Norman getting a little break from their cage, being allowed to play on the bed. I just gave them some Nutrical, which they are busy licking off their little muzzles. They're definitely doing better, though. Still rather snorky. Their eyes look much better. Hi, guys. I redid their cage so they have more room. See, they have a little shelf there. And the phone's ringing. Try that again now that I'm off the phone. This is their new little cage. You can see it has a little shelf in back for them to climb up on, which that one corner is supported by bungee cords, so they can jump on it and it won't fall. There's their little litter box. They have a little cave to hide in. They have a much smaller bed now, which is quite big enough for two kittens. And they like dragging the towels everywhere. I've got a couple toys in there. And there's a little bit of space for them to roll around, and their food and their water. And I put a pan of Black in there twice a day for them. And here they are on the bed, enjoying being able to run around a bit. I don't want them loose on the floor because there are just too many places they could get lost, and one of those places is a heating duct that doesn't have a grate over it. And it would be very hard to get a little kitten out of there. Whoops! Gotta go rescue. He's about to discover, however, that the top of the cage is not solid. Come here, Norman. No, you don't want to walk on that, sweetheart. Well, unfortunately, I'm going to have to put them back in, because I've got stuff to do. Hey, Norman. Hey, Norman. How you doing? Hey, Two Toes. Oh, sweetheart, you can't walk on that. Here's a Norman trying to escape. No, Norman. The kittens are not very happy with me right now because they just got sprayed for fleas. No, Norman, no escaping. Which is why they look kind of funny. But you know, I do not want fleas in this house. It's real simple. And unfortunately, they do have fleas. You're just bound and determined, aren't you? He's a very determined little boy. No getting off the bed. Figured I'd let them romp a little bit in the evening. Give them their evening meds. And then I saw Two Toes scratching, and yep, there was a flea. So we took care of that. Hey, you're not going to pee on the bed or anything, are you? Uh-oh. Hell, Norman is walking on there. Look at him go. Oh, we have an observer. What are they, Bast? Do slow pan so we don't make everybody sick. I'm just being far too cute. Whoops. Sorry, Andrew. Don't disappear. Norman? Okay. Kitten showdown. Where you going, Two Toes? Let's make sure that Two Toes does not disappear down the back of the bed. Here we have little Basti, still quite interested. Uh-oh. Apparently Two Toes still tastes like flea spray. Every time Norman jumps and makes nasty faces. Well, unfortunately, it is quite late. So I'm going to have to box them up, even though they are unbearably cute. Uh-oh. Two Toes, be careful. Oh, sorry, Bust. That's very interesting that you can walk on there. Alright, guys. You're so cute, I don't want to turn the camera off. Must have some very thirsty kittens sucking up his black. You can see the new improvement to their cage. The little hammock. I haven't discovered it yet. I'm sure they will tonight. Nope, they don't even want to be bothered. Toes? How are you? We're being very fierce. And there's little Bendy. Look at that bottle. Where'd our toy go? Six Toes still doesn't understand why Bendy doesn't play right. Oh, look, she bedded back. That's progress, kid. That's good progress. Bendy just thinks that she needs to be fed. Or he needs to be fed. That is what he always thinks. Can we do up yet? Can we do up? Sort of. I can think about it. Where'd Bendy go? There he is. Ninga is hiding in her little Ninga cave. Ninga, 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 Ninga. She is not feeling very well. Seems to be quite happy to let me play with the babies. You want to come on out, Ninga? Probably afraid I'm going to stuff more pills down her throat. Poor thing's on quite a regimen. Oh, we're getting purrs. That's good. Ah, I have little tiny kittens crawling on me. Kitten, kitten. Kitten, kitten. Hello. Hello. Uh-huh. And Ninga sort of emerges. Am I being pounced on? Am I being pounced on? Hey, Ninga Zida. Nope, maybe not. Yes, Ninga? You hiccuping? You haven't even eaten anything. Although will note that when I first put the food in the creep feeder, little Six Toes did go in and take a few laps. There's my Ninga. Gonna show us your poor little shaved belly. Yes, look at that poor little shaved belly. It's getting very tiring holding this camera. Okay, Ninga. Say goodnight to the camera, sweet girl. Let's see that pretty little face. Let's see the pretty little Ninga face. Oh, maybe not. You are such a loving little one. Yes, you're such a loving little one. They were all asleep in my lap. And they want to know why I got up. Hey, Cotton Poof. Your fur is all rumpled, sweetheart. And there's my sweet little Irish key girl. And there's the little points. And there's Mama Patches hiding back there. You climbing on me again. Hey. You climbing on me again, huh? Cool little baby. Where's everybody else? Let's see. Here's your sister. Here's Mama half and half. And there's the other one. Climbing back up on me. Oh, I'm being attacked. I'm being mobbed. A little mob of kittens. A little fluffy mob. That's not so bad, huh? Let's see here. Reset position. Hello, half and half. Hello, cute little babies. Hello, Cotton Poof. Gotta give time to everybody. Yes, get the antenna cable. Good thing to eat. They were eating the camera.